Hello student, welcome to all of you. In this video we will cover the next part of this lesson. So let's start it. It is really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. Now, when the raindrops changed into hailstorm, to see them, Lencho predict now it is getting very bad. He was full of sorrow, regretting his view. I hope it pass quickly, and he was hoping that the hailstorm will pass so soon. It did not pass quickly, but it is not going to be happen. For an hour, the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. The field was white as if covered with salt. Means it was raining the entire valley, in the house, near the house, around the all the circle that was there. Means there was nothing any place where it has not reached. Even the crops had destroyed totally, and the corn had been covered by white salt snowdrops. Means the field was looking as white as salt because it has been totally covered by the white snow stones. Not a leaf remained on the trees. Even the tree, the plant on that area were out of leaf. Even nothing was left. The corn was totally destroyed, and the crops had been destroyed by this hailstone. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his son, now, when the rain passed out, then Lencho came in the middle of the field, and to see that things that happened at that time, Lencho filled with too much sorrow because his soul was weeping due to this situation. He was stand in the middle of the field and said to his sons that a plague of locusts have left more than this. The hell has left nothing. This year we will have no corn. That night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. There's no one who can help us. We all go hungry this year. Now he expressing his sorrow to his son that if a group of locusts would had attacked on the crops, even they have left more than this. But this hailstorm have left nothing, and it seems और ऐसा दिखता है that this year we are going to get nothing. That was very sorrowful night for that poor persons who were living in that house. Lencho was still telling to his son that all our work for nothing, and whatever work was done by them was fruitless because it is not going to get him any result. There is no one who can help us. We will go hungry to the years, and there was no person who is going to help them. And Lencho was still saying that it seemed that we are going to be hunger this year. So student, this is the first part of your relation, which name is A Letter to God, and there are some questions that you all have to answer this and note down in your notebook, and in the next video we will cover the next part of this lesson. So goodbye.